Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix high ping, packet loss, and network issue in Apex Legends on PC.
Fix 1. Select the best data center. Step 1. Open Apex Legends. Step 2. On the main screen, wait 60 seconds. Step 3. Click Data Center, bottom, left. Step 4. Select the server with lowest ping and packet loss. Fix 2. Restart internet and PC. Step 1. Turn off your modem/router 30 seconds. Step 2. Turn it back on. Step 3. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Use wired Ethernet connection. Step 1. Disconnect Wi-Fi. Step 2. Connect PC directly to router using LAN cable. Fix 4. Close background apps. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Step 2. In downloads, browsers, VPNs, launchers. Fix 5. Disable VPN and proxies. Step 1. Turn off any VPN software. Step 2. Restart Apex Legends.